Boom, 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 boom. Here comes the lag. Give me all those wonk stacks. Yes. Oh yes. All the money. All the money. Oh yes.
Grab one of the reblocks
I will. Oh, wait, that counts as a block in here. Are these wonk stacks like worth a lot?
Yeah, they're worth
Pretty good.
Oh, enemies respawn. Okay.
That's not good. I spent half a minute trying to get all these wonk stacks, bro. Oh, yes, we can get the chairs. Oh, the walls are just concrete. Grabbing stuff. Grabbing what I can at once. My inventory's basically full already. Oh, lights. Why did that work? Oh, okay.
But I found my
I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna do it. Time to find my way out. Okay, I'm out. Uh-oh. I lag. I'm lag. I'm golden lag. I don't even know where that is. Actually, wait. I think I'm next to it. I mostly got lights, wonk stacks, a chair, pipes.
Oh my god, where's the exit?
Please, no.
I'll make it. Oh shit. Felt like I might have fucked up.
No, Reyes, no.
15 seconds, I need to find it now. Come on! I found it!
Get in immediately.
We're good. I made it.
We didn't die. Wow. Check the chest.
Oh, you got an executive chair. Nice. Oh my god. Look at all these lights I got.
You came so close to dying.
Look at all the lights I got.
Let's see. Damn. Now, I'm gonna get some rusted metal.
Oh my god. Yeah, we need more rusted metal. Jesus, my heart is like racing.
Your heart's racist?